The P0306 code indicates a misfire in cylinder 6 of your engine. A misfire means the air-fuel mixture isn't igniting correctly, leading to reduced performance, increased emissions, and potential engine damage. The engine control module detects this using sensors that monitor engine rotation. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to prevent further problems. The most common causes of cylinder 6 misfires are related to the ignition system. Faulty spark plugs, which provide the electrical spark to ignite the air-fuel mixture, can fail due to wear after 30,000 to 100,000 miles. Similarly, ignition coils that step up voltage for the spark can degrade from heat stress or electrical issues. Fuel system problems can also trigger misfires. Clogged or malfunctioning fuel injectors may not deliver the correct amount of fuel to cylinder 6, leading to an imbalanced air-fuel mixture. This can result from contaminated fuel or buildup over time, reducing engine performance and efficiency. Vacuum leaks in the intake manifold or hoses can introduce extra air into the engine, disrupting the precise air-fuel ratio needed for combustion. This imbalance prevents proper ignition in cylinder 6, causing misfires and rough running. Mechanical issues like low compression in cylinder 6 can cause misfires. Worn piston rings or valves fail to seal properly, reducing pressure during compression and preventing complete combustion. This is common in high-mileage engines and requires inspection with a compression tester. Finally, defective sensors such as the crankshaft or camshaft position sensors can lead to false misfire detection or actual misfires by providing incorrect data to the engine control module. These sensors monitor engine timing and can fail due to wiring issues or wear. Addressing these potential causes through proper diagnosis and maintenance will help resolve cylinder 6 misfires and restore engine performance. Begin by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0306 code and check for any related codes. Inspect the spark plugs, wires, coils, and fuel injectors for visible damage. Perform a smoke test to identify any vacuum leaks in the intake manifold or vacuum lines. Note any freeze frame data to help diagnose when the misfire is happening. Test the ignition coil for cylinder 6 using an ohmmeter. Connect the meter to the coil terminals and measure resistance. Compare the reading to OEM specifications, which are typically 0.5 to 1.5 ohms for primary windings. Measure the fuel injector pulse width to ensure proper fuel delivery. Use an oscilloscope to observe the injector signal. The pulse width indicates how long the injector is open, controlling fuel flow. Perform a compression test on cylinder 6. Remove the spark plug and insert the compression gauge. Crank the engine and measure pressure. It should be within 100 to 150 psi and consistent with other cylinders. The most common repair solutions for P0306 involve addressing ignition system components. Start by replacing worn spark plugs and ignition coils, which are frequent causes of cylinder misfires. If fuel delivery is the issue, clean clogged fuel injectors using ultrasonic methods or replace them entirely to restore proper spray patterns. Repair vacuum leaks by replacing faulty gaskets or hoses in the intake system to prevent air-fuel mixture imbalances. For severe mechanical problems, replace worn valves or pistons, though these repairs are significantly more costly and often require professional service. Begin by disconnecting the battery to ensure safety during repairs. Replace the faulty component in cylinder 6, such as the spark plug, ignition coil, or fuel injector. Reconnect the battery securely. Use your OBD2 scanner to clear the P0306 code from the vehicle's system. Perform a road test to confirm the misfire in cylinder 6 is resolved. Perform a final scan with the OBD2 tool to ensure the P0306 code does not return. Basic repairs like replacing spark plugs or ignition coils can often be done as a DIY project with the right tools and knowledge. However, complex issues such as fuel injector problems or mechanical engine failures often require professional expertise and specialized equipment. Incorrect repairs can lead to further engine damage and more expensive fixes down the line. Average repair costs for addressing P0306 cylinder misfires range from $200 to $800, according to RepairPal data as of 2025. Modern vehicles incorporate advanced diagnostics using real-time sensor data and AI to predict misfires before they cause problems. Regular maintenance is essential, including spark plug replacement every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your vehicle. Be aware that ethanol-blended fuels like E15 can increase misfire risks due to corrosion in engine components. Staying proactive with maintenance can save significant repair costs and prevent the P0306 code from occurring.